Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to do conditional formatting in Excel using a formula for an AND if function. It's pretty straightforward to do once you know how to do it. It can be very helpful in trying to, shine a light on certain data or highlight certain things. So we'll go ahead and get started here. We have some population and GDP per capita data pulled from online. And what we're going to try and do is look for countries that have over 100 million people in population and less than 5,000 US per capita. And so what we would do in this situation, we're going to try and go ahead and flag the country for those countries that fit that criteria. So we're going to then go to conditional formatting and then go down to new rule. And then we're going to select use a formula to determine which cells to format. So this is the area where we're going to go ahead and put in that formula. So all we need to do, and we don't have to do if and here, we just have to do equals and. Then we'll do parentheses, and then we need to identify the cells that we want to, or that would have to meet this criteria. So again, we're going to do C5, which is our population right there. And then what we're going to do is greater than 100 million. And we'll do a comma. So that's our first criteria. So it has to be population over a million, but then we also want our GDP per capita to be less than 5,000. So then we would do F5. So again, it's now selecting this cell, and then is less than 5,000. And we're going to hit close parentheses. And that should be our formula that we want to use. And then we're going to hit format. And we want to just flag it with a fill here. You can do font or border or fill. We're just going to go ahead and do a yellow fill. And then we're going to hit OK. And then we'll hit OK again. And you'll notice it didn't do anything, which is fine because our population of China is over 100 million, but the GDP per capita is greater than 5,000. So we're going to go ahead and just format that, and then we're going to go down to India. So with India, we can see that it did flag India because they have a population of 100 million and GDP per capita is less than that. So we'll just go ahead and one of the ways we can go about this is just drag and click the formula. And then that's going to go ahead and flag all these countries that are over 100 million population and under 5,000 GDP per capita. And then you get down here and you're like, well, why isn't it flagging some of these other countries, Democratic Republic of Congo? But again, that's because their population is under 100 million. So if we wanted to do less, we could go ahead and change that. But we'll go back here. We'll do Control Z. So we've got a formula here. So then what we can do is go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and so now it's just applied to B6 to F6, so it's just this one row right here. What we could do is we could just go down to F29 instead of, if we don't want to drag click, hit F29, hit apply, and hit OK, and it's going to do essentially the same thing. So it's going to flag all those countries with that criteria, and that's as easy as it is. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, and there's a lot you can do with it. You can do, multiple other criteria as well if you have more data to look through. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.